Hey man, I don't know how many of y'all is familiar with the Elgato Stream Deck, but that motherfucker's good. I like it, man. You know, this is the Stream Deck. You know what I'm saying? This revolutionized my streaming. Just all this shit is one touch. One touch. You could open up a website, open up your any sounds like this wolf sound, for instance. One button. You ain't gotta go through all that other shit. Click on one button. You could open up any website you have configured, like so. Maybe YouTube, for example. You take that website under System keys, drag that website over here, and it's there. You add the URL, paste that in there, and then now to open YouTube, you just hit that icon and it open right up like so. But it open on the other side there. Let's try that again. You hit that here, and there you go. Open up your YouTube. You're ready to go, man. Make the stallion badass. But I like the Stream Deck, you know what I'm saying? I'm still learning it, but you can see here it has Elgato game capture, which I have one of those too, to stream video games. That's what I use. OBS, you can do a few things with inside OBS is what I use as well. You have a soundboard, which is how I added this little wolf sound right here with the soundboard. You can add it, you can name it whatever you want to name the shit, you know what I mean? Wolf. This is the file location right there. And the action that it does, it plays and stops the sounds. Play. Stop it immediately. Play and stop it immediately. You can have tons of different shit you want to use. I'm still learning the Stream Deck. There's also YouTube chat messages you could put there. Let me see what happens when you click the chat message. Nothing happened because I don't have it configured. You see here, you gotta set this up to your whatever account you want to use. But you could do that with Twitter. You could set up tweets. Streamlab OBS. Record. Change your different scenes. Click your stream. This is all one touch shit, so you don't have to be fucking around inside the computer. You can just click one button on the Stream Deck, which is right here. This is the little physical joint right here. You click this, and like I was just showing you, click this web page, and YouTube, I have it configured for YouTube. You click that, and then YouTube would automatically open up. You click, like all the other shit I don't have configured, but this is the wolf sound right here. You can add whatever sound you want. You push that same button to stop it. Also, if you would like to, you see this here? This could be made to, like, for, let's say, another folder. You could add a folder like there, right there. And on here, where would that be? I think it would be under, let me see what's that, open. You're going to get, if nothing's configured, you're going to get that caution sign because nothing's configured for that, to take place on that particular icon. So I'm going to delete it for right now. But you can have another folder. You could have infinite number of folders on this thing. Like this is one screen. Inside here you could change it and have another screen. That's what I'm trying to do now. Like I said, I'm still figuring this out. But it's a nice little tool to have, man. The Elgato Stream Deck. Look this shit up. Oh, here you go. Create folder. I'm going to drag this over. Drop it right there. Now, if I open this right there, then I could just go in here and add more things. And then if I want to, I could create another folder. I could create yet another folder right there and go inside there and then add more shit to this folder. Add more. So this you could do this shit for let me go back. Random action. Like you add, you have an infinite number of options with this little 15 button Stream Deck. I'm still working on configuring mine, man, but once I get configured, should be lovely. Now you can go back like this, and you can right click on this to delete that. You want to delete that whole folder and everything in it. See this folder right here, you can delete that. See, it's going to delete that folder and everything in it. Clear up space. You have infinite number of folders you can do on this. You can do 1 million subfolders if you want it. But they have a 9 button one. No, 6 button, where it's only 6 buttons. They have this 15 button one, and I think one with like 48 buttons on that bitch. I feel like that's too much because this motherfucker right here is already, you know, you can make as many folders as you want. So I thought the 15 was good for me. You know, I'm gonna come back and make some more videos on when I really figure out how to do this shit. But this is for now, man. Y'all enjoy. Holla at your boy. This Caesar, man. Out.